It's a game night. Ooh, it's a game night. Ooh, satisfied. It's a game night. Ooh, it's a game night. Game night.
What's good, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I'm Zamir, and today we are going to make a song for Valentine's Day. Alright, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. You know what the couples are gonna do on Valentine's Day, don't you?
Come over here and feel my velour bedspread.
That is exactly what they're gonna do. So just because I don't celebrate Valentine's Day doesn't mean that I can't write song for them. So here we go, let's get started. I've already fired up my Cubase, which is the music software that I use to produce songs. So this is my project right now. It's a very simple beat that I made a couple of days or maybe months or weeks ago. I don't remember when I made this. So let's hear it, alright? Alright, so that's the beat. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the marker track. So marker track is gonna help me see visually what's gonna happen here. So let's do it. Marker track. Okay, so let's label the marker here. So it's gonna be the chorus. Alright, so now we have second verse. This is gonna be intro, verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. Alright, so I'm gonna go and add the vocal track. Check. Okay, I have this auto tune and the U80's oxide. This is one of my favorite saturation plugin. Okay, the vocal track is ready for me to lay down the ideas, so I'm just gonna hit play and record whatever that comes in my mind, right? So
it's a game night, boo. I already know what I wanna do. We're gonna
no, let's try again.
It's a game night, boo. I already know what I wanna do. We're gonna stay up all night. I'll be your right to fix your high note.
To fix your high note doesn't make any sense.
To hit your high note, to hit your high note.
That would be better.
It's a game night, boo. I already know what I wanna do. We're gonna stay up all night. I'll be your right to hit your high note. I'll be your right to hit your high note. I know you're a breathtaking view. Can't wait to get my soul through. We're gonna stay up all night. I'll be your night, make you call your toes.
There's a couple of tuning error, but we will fix that later during the mixing stage. So right now I'm gonna move on to the pre-chorus here.
Na 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 na. Oh baby girl, na 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 na.
I'm gonna use that melody now.
Want you to say I'm the best love you had now. Oh baby girl, let me treat you.
Let's try again.
Want you to say I'm the best love you had now. Oh baby girl, let me treat you.
Oh, okay, I got it.
Want you to say treat you like the queen that you are.
Alright.
Oh baby girl, let me treat you like the queen that you are.
Let's try again.
Want you to stay till my mind meets your soul. Oh baby girl, let me be the king that you always want. Always want.
Okay.
Be the king that you always want. It's a game night, oh na na. It's a game night. Be the king that you always want. It's a game night, I wanna win on a night. Be the king that you always want. It's a game night, we gonna play it all night. It's a game night, we play till we are satisfied. It's a game night, we gonna prove.
I'm gonna write the lyrics.
Be the king that you always. It's a game night, we gonna play it all night. It's a game night, we play till we are satisfied. It's a game night, we both are gonna enjoy the ride. It's a game night, we both win if we play right.
That sounds good. Let's try again.
It's a game night, we both are gonna enjoy the ride. It's a game night, we both win if we play right. It's a game night, we gonna play it over night. It's a game night, we play till we are satisfied. It's a game night, we both are gonna enjoy the ride. It's a game night, we both win if we play it right.
And now we're gonna add some ad-libs. So, no, not ad-libs, background vocals.
I already know what I wanna do. I already know what I wanna do.
Let's duplicate this real quick.
I already know what I wanna do. It's a game night, boo. I already know what I wanna do. We're gonna stay up all night. I'll be the right to hit your high note. You're a breathtaking view. Can't wait to get my soul through. We're gonna stay up all night. I'll be your night. Make you call your toes. Want you to say I'm the best love you had now. Oh baby girl, let me treat you like the queen that you are. Want you to stay till my mind meets your soul. Oh baby girl, let me be the king that you always want. It's a game night, we gonna play it over night. It's a game night, we play till we are satisfied. It's a game night, we both are gonna enjoy the ride. It's a game night, we both win if we play it right.
So that's my songwriting process. So I just like to make a beat, and then from the beat I try to come up with top line melodies, and then from there, you know, write the whole songs. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and also please let me know if you want me to release this song. I will do it in a couple of days or weeks from now. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.